friends, it has been a wonderful journey since I started this entrepreneurship. Thanks to Som Bathla, who had literally hand-holded me at every step. I published my first book during his public-on session, which was last year, and it was Interpersonal Undercurrents, just for you to have a look. On publishing this book, I was literally on top of Mount Everest, a little pat on my back. This enhanced my motivation, and I did not stop there. Went ahead with my second book. Fortunately for me, the Book Finisher Challenge had added an impetus in which I had taken up the challenge and could complete the book in a record time. The second book, which is honing team building activities and the skills from nature, is in fact a true combination of what we can learn from nature, right from Galileo Galilei to finding the laws of gravity from the falling apple, to various inventions and discoveries based on nature's beauty and bounty. There are several inputs which we can watch, imbibe and put into action in our daily team building activities. For example, I have taken the flight of migratory birds as an example to write a brief about this team building activities. The stamina of the birds, the guiding spirit, their murmuration during this long flight, the swirling action in case of turbulence, their aerodynamic capabilities in flying in the form of a V as they take turns and exchange ideas and deals and save energy in the long run are two beautiful examples of an ideal team. Hence, this was my basic spirit in writing this book. In this book, I have also stressed upon the importance of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is a key for an ideal leadership which helps him guide the entire team to great success, and this aspect makes the team stand out from other teams. I just once again wish to thank Som Bathla for literally hand-holding me through this Book Finisher Challenge, and I request that you please have your hand and grab your copy now, and also will appreciate if you can give a small review about this book. Thank you.